In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export a calendar inside of Proton Calendar. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Proton Calendar like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the settings tab once you're logged in. Then from here, you need to click on all settings over here. And then this page should be popping up. From here, you need to go over to the left-hand side and go down to Proton Calendar and then import/export down here. From here, you can import calendars if you want to do that, or you can go down here and click export. And down here, you can select which one of the calendars that you want to choose, either one specific calendar or your entire Proton calendar. Then from here, you need to download it as an ICS file. Then you can see here, import it successfully and save file up here. And as you can see, now up here, it has been downloaded. Or export it. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!